Welcome, my name is Robert Poel. We are here in the restaurant Voltaire, Parc Broekhuizen. We're going to make a dish for you with tomato and burrata. I want to start it. These are the textures. We put the mousse in the middle of the plate, and on top of the mousse we're doing jelly of tomato. We have also made a mousse of the tomato as well. You put tomato oil on the tomatoes, a little bit of salt, and also in the oil is the vinegar of tomato as well, a little bit of pepper, lime zest, we're going to start the plating. We have here as well a jelly of tomato. A gram of tomato. Also really nice flowers and herbs from our garden. This is vinegar of tomato. Vinegar of lavas. And we have here tomato paper.